Hey guys, so I'm super excited because I just got my new set of women's walking sticks and they come in this really awesome, convenient, easy to carry and travel bag, which is great for hiking. So it comes with 2 sets of sticks. So such a great deal, and they're really easy to set up. So you are going to want to just unhook this Velcro. You drop the poles down. I wrap this back up so it's not in the way. So once the poles are pulled tight with the wire like this, you're going to take this pole where it says pull here on the tab, and you're going to pull it all the way down. And to make sure that you lock it fully, you are going to pull up, and you see it has numbers, and it locks right into place. So your pole is not going anywhere. Then, depending on how tall you are, you can set it. It's got markers here, and just make sure that you stop at the top because you don't want to pull it all the way off. So there's that little stop sign. And then you just latch it closed. So I made it the tallest height because I'm 5'10", which is great. And it comes with these awesome little rubber bottoms, which is good for if you're doing any indoor walking or hiking. And then each of the poles comes with this little mud cover, which is great so it doesn't fling the mud up and get your poles all dirty. Plus, you even get this adjustable handle strap. All you have to do is pull this out, and you can pull this in if you want it tighter around your hand. And then you simply just pull this back inside to adjust after you've pulled the bottom part down, and you have a tighter strap. Then when you're ready to fold them back up, you just unclip this latch. So you're going to pull that part down. Then you're going to want to take this part that's got the little button and push the button in. Push that pole all the way into the top. You're going to let your poles dangle down and easily pull them out and wrap them up. And it's really that simple. So they're incredibly easy to use, really great sturdy quality, a nice handle that you can see has got a great grip, which is perfect to use. And I absolutely love these, so definitely go get yourself a pair because I highly recommend them. Thank you.